Okay, in today's video, we'll explain how to split a full body model that has been wrapped back into a head and body to facilitate importing into Unreal Engine. So we can create a custom metahuman. Alright, let's get started. First, we'll import the original metahuman head and body, and keep these as is. Notice how this model has become very large. That's because the metahuman model is in centimeters, while Blender's is in meters, a 100-fold difference. Okay, let's import the metahuman conform model. Eve wrap. Keep this one the same too. Alright, let's see. Their coordinates match, and the scale is consistent. No issues. Next, press the shortcut key N, select Welder, then choose Split. Select Head. Click, then select Body, click, and select the deformed. Full Body Model, click. Then select this mapping file. Okay, let's save it. Name it Eve. Split. Okay, save. Note here that we need to select the mapping file generated when we merged the Eve model earlier. This is necessary to maintain. The correct vertex mapping, this is the file we need. Then we click Set. Okay, now we'll start the split. Okay, the split was successful. Let's hide this full body model. Look at these two separated models. One is the head and the other is the body. Everything looks perfectly normal. We can switch to wireframe mode to check if the model's internal structure is correct. As you can see, this model is completely normal. Okay, no issues. Next, export these two models as separate OBJ files. First, select Head, then choose Export and select OBJ. Note here, make sure to check Selection Only and uncheck Apply Transform. We want to export the raw data without applying any transforms. Okay. Note this part. We'll keep it consistent with Blender, meaning Y is forward and Z is up. We'll keep these unchanged. Let's name it and choose this name. Since we've already exported it before, we'll overwrite it. Overwrite, again, we'll select Body. Keep these settings as they are. Eve Body. Okay, let's verify this. Create a new file and re-import them. These remain unchanged. Okay, let's see. This looks normal. This is normal, this is the top, and this is the front. Let's take a look at the model information. The model information This is obvious. The y-axis represents height. Note that this is in centimeters. This is the head height, 31.9, also in centimeters. Okay. We can also compare it with the original metahuman model. to see if their size and orientation are correct. They are correct. All right, hide this here. Looks normal. Okay, so we've successfully split up Eve's full body model. That's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.